Olunaku lwa Paalamenti ejaguza emyaka 10 okuva yatandikibwawo. Omukuliza w'ekikolo gwanga olukulu asoose kulambula ebifaananyi ebyenjawulo ebyakubwa ebire ebyayita era ng'omukolo gwonna gubadde mu lobby ya Paalamenti. Ono akoonyeko ku byafaayo by'obukulembeze buno n'atendereza abantu ab'enjawulo abadde bakulembera Paalamenti eno. Mu kulambula ebifaananyi kubaddeko omumyuka wa Ssaabaminisita asooka General Moses Ali akulira oludda olwabala gavumenti mu Paalamenti Betty Awolo Chan n'ababaka abalala.
The first president was Sir Robert Corrington. In the first sitting, he sat with the Attorney General, then of the Uganda Protectorate, the Chief Medical Officer of the Protectorate, the Treasurer of the Protectorate, and the Chief Secretary. There were also nominated members, still unelected, one Mr. Hunter and one Mr. Lewis, who had been elected by the Europeans. The Indians were supposed to be the third person, but the Indians, for some reason, did not elect a person to sit in the first assembly.
Ono asiimye abantu ab'enjawulo abalina kye bakoledde eri olukikolo gwanga olukulu omuli abaaliko abakuliza b'olukikolo luno abamyuka baabwe ssaako n'abawandiisi ba Paalamenti.
The evolution of the institution of the legislature has witnessed tremendous growth in mandate, size and impact. From the 7 members of the Legislature in 1921 to the current 10th Parliament of Uganda, which has 459 members, whose roles encompass representation, legislation, oversight, and appropriation. 11th Parliament will commence in May 2021 with 529 members. This exponential rise in the size and mandate of the legislature is testimony of its importance in the body politic of Uganda.
Onera atangazizza ebimu ku ebyo batuuseeko nga Paalamenti.
Article 79(1) of the 1995 Constitution bestows upon Parliament the mandate of making laws on any matter for the peace, order, development and good governance of Uganda. This fixed the widened mandate of the legislature beyond just law and order as it was at inception in 1921. The 100-year evolution of the Parliament of Uganda has witnessed various milestones, landmark legislations, far-reaching resolutions, general positive impact on the growth and development of the state of Uganda. The same vein, our legislative history has also been rife with challenges.
Mu bufu bwe bumu ne Paalamenti etaba amawanga agaaliko mu lusewo lumu ne Bungereza eya Commonwealth Parliament nayo eyozaayozezza Uganda okutuuka ku buwanguzi. Eno Paalamenti era esiimye emirimu egy'enjawulo egikoleddwa omukubiriza w'ekikolo gwanga olukulu ssaako n'ebintu ebirala.
Members of Parliament of Uganda have played a significant role in the governance of the association. For example, in 2012, Honorable Cooper MP from the Parliament of Uganda represented the CP Africa region on the CP Executive Committee. Madam Speaker, we also thank you for your work during your tenure as the Commonwealth Women Parliamentarians Chairperson between 2013-2016 and previously as CWP Vice Chair and CWP Chair Africa Region.
Minister Mululi Mukasa anokoddeyo akawaayiro 55 kakoonyeko nti kamuwa olukusa okuleeta enteekateeka esiima ssaako n'etongoza emikolo gyonna egikwata ku kuyozaayoza Paalamenti. Ono alambisa ebintu ebyenjawulo Paalamenti byeyiseemu era n'avaayo n'ategeeza nga bwekoze ekyamaanyi mu kuleeta enfuga eya demokrasiya mu nnyaffe Uganda.
Recognizing the struggles Uganda has endured to realize its autonomy and stability, and the contribution of successive parliaments in the quest for national cohesion, tranquility, equity, inclusivity, human rights, democracy, and good governance. Appreciating that over the years, Parliament has advocated for good governance through promotion of accountability.
Takomyoko wabula era atangazza na biki byagamba nti gavumenti ya kuno yandibituuseeko ng'eyita mu Paalamenti omuli ebyobulamu ebyenjigiriza n'ebirala.
Prosperous, successful, modern democracy. We would like to see a country that ranks among the best in the world on the Human Development Index. We want to see a country with the standards of education and health care envied around the world. A country of peace, safety, and personal security. We want to see a country of prosperity.
Onera awagiddwa n'abakiise abaala mu lukiko lw'eggwanga olukulu.
keeping government in check. 8. Passing timely laws for good governance, peace and stability. 9. Being the voice of the voiceless, the most vulnerable groups like women, people with disability.
That they have made Parliament, Uganda, as a country to stabilize the politics and democratic principles which are needed in a country which is developing.
Ng'ennaku z'omwezi 23 omwezi ogwokusatu omwaka 1921 Uganda lwe yatuuza olutuula lwayo olw'olukiko lw'eggwanga olukulu olwasooka. Olutuula luno lwayindira Ntebe. Yisa Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.